Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Kashif Shehzad and I'm an IELTS trainer. I teach IELTS online as well as offline. And as far as offline is concerned, we have a campus on Garipura Road, Gujarat, which is near Jail Chowk. Many people ask the location of the office on TikTok and YouTube, and just for your information, today's video I'll talk about the listening format. In previous video, I discussed the reading format, that how many types of questions are and what is the actual pattern IELTS reading follows. In this video, we'll talk about listening pattern. It's very simple, it's not that difficult, but remember previously when it used to be manual test, there used to be 40 minutes, 30 minutes audio and 10 minutes for transferring the answer. And for your kind information, the manual test has been vanished, has been stopped in Pakistan, and they all are conducted on computer based, right? The portal I have been talking to you, I've been telling you, it's engnovate.com, engnovate.com. There's in front of you. You type the path on Explorer and you come on that page, Academic, General, and all. So you can click on Academic and General. Here's a tab you can follow. Look, IELTS test. You can go towards reading and then you can go towards the listening. There you go, we come towards listening module. We have already talked about reading uh, pattern. You can check from YouTube channel IELTS with Kashif, or you can check on TikTok. Right, this is a listening test, and you can the biggest benefit of this portal is you can practice activity wise, or you can take the full test. So they have uploaded the book 20, which has just been released in July 25, and we'll go for that just to tell you the pattern, the latest pattern. And so we'll click on the take test. Right. This is the exact format you will confront in your actual test. See, there are four sections in listening. Section 1, 1 to 10. Section 2, 11 to 20. Right. Section 3, 21 to 30, and section 4, 31 to 40. So there are four sections. In reading there are three sections, in listening there are four sections, and there's a total minutes of audio which is being played, which will be 8 minutes, 7 minutes, 24 and 20, 31, almost 31, 29 to 31-minute audio will be played. Listening would be the first test, first module you will be given in the test. So make sure your headphones are working good and you can listen to that voice coming from the microphone is perfect. Because during the test, if God forbid something happens, your test would not be stopped unless until there would be circumstances like something happened with the computer or something happened with the internet or electricity. Otherwise your test would not be stopped. Even if you complain that my headphones are not working, they would not stop the test. So we'll start from the question types. First section, always filling the blanks. Always filling the blanks. While practicing, repeat section 1 first of every test. You have 20 books, or you can purchase 10 books. You can download it from the internet. You can practice on this portal. First, always practice for the first section, right? You need to get 9 out of 10 from the first section, and this is the only section you can get 10 out of 10, right? Very easy, not very difficult. Sometimes it happen a little variation that 3, 4 or 2 MCQs may come in the first section, but normally it's all fill in the blanks, and this one person taking introduction, interview, or something, filling the form in the first section, right? That is a kind of dialogue. not a monologue. Two persons speak to each other. We'll go towards the second section. Remember, difficulty level always increases from section 1 to section 4. Section 1 is the easiest. Now you come to the section 2. Section 2 is double multiple choice question. Choose two letters A to E, two questions, and 13, 14 are multiple single and two questions. Four questions are double MCQs. Second and third section is mostly consist of MCQs. 13, 14 again two questions, and 15 to 20 are like table. Very important section, is it? Double MCQs, sometimes it comes single MCQs, sometimes come double MCQs. Very important MCQs. And the rest of the questions are table type of table. You can what happened in 1870, you'll have to choose from the options. Very important, that comes always. Sometimes it happens the map comes in second section. Sometimes it doesn't come, sometimes it comes. So depends on the that particular day. So we'll go towards the section 3 now. This, remember it, this is a free portal. You can do practice, unlimited reading and listening. No one would ask you for money. All 20 books have been uploaded in this portal, and you can practice anytime, any module, right? Reading, listening, or writing. Right, we have come to the third section, which is a bit tricky, which is a bit quick. uh, 21, 22 again double MCQ, 22 again double MCQ, and 25 to 30 again MCQs, longer MCQs. uh, 2 weeks ago, some of my students told me that there are 20 questions in section 2 and section 3, 10 questions each section, and they got 16 MCQs and 4 questions of map. So always be ready. There can be MCQs in second and third section. You need a lot of practice for MCQs. Lot of practice, right? There's a third section. So we'll come toward the fourth section. Now, fourth section, 10 questions and in a row. There won't be any break. There won't be any pause, in a row, and all filling the blanks. Sometimes it is difficult for some people. Sometimes it is very easy. This is the section after section 1. You can take 8, 9 out of 10, but not for all the people. A little difficult, a little conversation. You have to get your text from the listening. Not very difficult if you do a practice section by section. First section 1, do some 5, 6, 7 activities of section 1, then section 2, then section 3, and then section 4. Do not do all the test at a time. This is my advice as a trainer. First, practice for section 1. When you are able to get 8, 9, or 10 marks in first attempt, remember, if you are not able to get 10 marks, 9 marks, you got 5 marks, you got 6 marks, repeat that section again. Do not pause the section, do not reverse the section. Listen in a row, one time, two times, three times. Do it until you get 8 or 9 marks in first attempt. Repeat the same procedure for section 2, and then you can combine section 1 and 2 until you get 16, 17 out of 20. Now repeat the same procedure for 3 and 4 section. That's how you can practice listening in a very good manner. Repetition, practice is the only solution. If you get already easily get 30 marks, 32 marks, kindly increase the speed from here, playback speed, because you never know, you get a little faster. So you can practice on 1.25 as well. I always make my students practice for 1.25 or 1.5 so they can be prepared for any kind of listening. Sometimes it is very quicker in section 3, sometimes it's a bit slower. So always practice. That's the only module in IELTS where you can get 8 or 8.5 very easily by practice. All right, I'll come with the next video of speaking format and writing format as well. So keep watching my videos on IELTS with Kashif. That will definitely benefit you in understanding the IELTS and in getting good bands in IELTS without any academy, without any trainer. All right, thank you very much, and remember me in your prayers.